scared of you motherfuckers. I ain't scared of you motherfuckers.
Alright, so I'm taking my hair down and my curls came out lovely. So this braid out was definitely the move. I just wanted to have some footage for you guys. I don't have any lighting or anything up. I'm just I'm at home. Excuse my background on there. I'm in the spare bedroom. And I'm back home in Alabama for our town reunion. It's our 120th anniversary. My town was like the first all-black incorporated town, so it's a lot of history behind it. We have a town reunion every year. This is my first time back, in a couple of years, so I'm excited. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to get some footage of this hair. And I didn't put anything on my hair for the hold. I'm curious to see how long my curls will hold, but I didn't put any product. My lips look actually like, y'all, I'm in the midst of getting ready, so excuse me, excuse all this. But I didn't put any extra product in my hair for the hold of my crinkles, curls, crinkles, whatever you want to call them. But I can say that since I clipped the back of my hair, I cut like 10 locks in the back, and of course it's in the back, so those were like the longest locks. But it now like tapered, not tapered, but it kind of gave me a shorter look. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. They're over there cheering. I should be outside right now, honestly, but it's so hot. And they're cheering because they're renaming our street where my grandmother's house and all my family's land and houses are. They're renaming it because our neighbor across the street, Miss Willie Mall, she's turning 100, and so for her legacy, they are renaming the streets after her. Honestly, I don't even know what they're renaming it to, but I'll find out. But I think that's so cool. I think she's our oldest citizen in Hobson City now, so that's pretty dope that they're honoring and celebrating her, because she has lived and continued to live a long, prosperous life. So yeah, I'm gonna go join the festivities as soon as I get the rest of these plaits out my head. They got the street blocked off. You know, my town is so small, but we got police over here blocking the streets off. Like, I wanted to vlog this whole trip, but I mean, so much was happening. So many changes happened that stuff wasn't working out the way I wanted it to, but here we are. Here we are. So yeah, my plan, hopefully, we go to the park for, you know, like the whole cookout vibe, like the town reunion. It's kind of like a family reunion in the big ass park, and I think that's until 6 this evening, and then everybody usually comes back to my aunt's house and just, you know, party or whatever. So I'm hoping to set up my light and my camera to, you know, get some footage of everybody and get some people in the camera to say what's up and introduce all my family that's here, so you guys can, you know, get to know me and my roots and my background a little bit more. I promised that I was going to give you guys more content, so I'm working on it. I swear I'm working on it. I'm hoping to link up with my cousin Key. Shout out to Key. Y'all I'm gonna link her information below, all her handles, social media. She's popping. That's my baby cousin. She's fine as fuck, sexy as fuck, pretty as fuck, talented as fuck. So y'all follow her and keep a lookout for my girl. Somebody's singing, child. Let me hurry up. Okay. Y'all hear that? But yeah. Alright. And you can't even tell that I got my back shaved. Like, it still falls so good. So much anxiety trying to cut the back of my head. I never had my hair cut. I've never did anything remotely close. Like, the shortest I've had my hair cut was like to here, to my neck, and that was a lot for me. So to have a whole live clipper in the back of my head, I'm gonna show y'all. To have some clippers in the back of my head, I had anxiety, and I was like, oh my god, please don't cut too much. I hope y'all can see that. But yeah, this is the final look. I love it. I love my hair. If you're thinking about locking your hair, do it, because it'll be like one of your best decisions ever. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click the button and turn on your notifications, because I got some shit coming for you. Okay. No, but seriously, please subscribe. It means the world to me. Be on the lookout for my baby channel. Ben has a channel. He's been posting some content over there, or I've been posting content, but we're working on his channel as well. Follow me on Instagram, Image by ILKA, Twitter, Image by ILKA. Follow me, I follow back, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, be cool, be blessed, no stress.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Hey.
Hey, I'm more independent with me. Y'all make some noise one time. Make some noise.